Hi everyone, Sheldon from BenQ here. Even though the school year is coming to a close, over at BenQ, we know that technology doesn't go on break. We want to make sure that your DMS management is set up and primed and ready for the next school year. So today, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can use to best organize your BenQ boards in your DMS. Let's first start by going to the Devices section within our DMS. You can navigate to the Devices section by going to the nav bar on the left-hand side and going to Devices. Once here, you'll see we have the Group section on the left-hand side. Here, you can create groups as well as subgroups if you need to break down your main groups even further. For example, I can have my elementary schools, I can do it by building, and then under there, I can break it down by grade or anything further down. So if I want to go and add a group, I simply go to the All Devices section, hit the blue button, go to Group, and create my group. If I want to create a subgroup, then I will simply select the group that I want to add a subgroup to, hit the blue button again, and then I can create my subgroup this way. To add devices to my subgroup or group folders, on the right-hand side, I select the devices that I need, and I can simply drag them over to the folder that I want to place them into. Groups are great ways to be able to deploy and manage what policies you're going to send, as well as what automations you want to send to a specific group or subgroup of boards. The next option we're going to look at is tags. Tags allow you to leverage another means of filtering out your devices even further than just groups. For example, let's say I have all my groups with different buildings, but in each building I have different models. Instead of trying to select all the models through all the groups, I could simply tag the groups based on models. For example, I have my RPO3 boards. I can tag them this way. And then to create a tag and use a tag, let's create one for my RPO4. I will simply go to the blue button over here, hit tag. I can create my tag for my RPO4 models, hit add. Right now I've got nothing here. To add them to the tag, I simply go to my all devices. Up here, I select filter. I can filter out for all my RPO4 models. Hit apply. This will grab all my RPO4 models. And I can select all, hit the tag plus over here, and simply tag them with the RPO4 tag. You can also use tags for other things, such as if boards are in conference rooms, if boards have any issues, or if you just want to filter out by any other decisive factor. So for example, right now, if I want to filter out for all my RPO4 boards that I've just created, the tag I just created, I select RPO4, and now I have access to all my RPO4 boards. Tags and groups are great ways to be able to manage just a specific set of boards rather than trying to deploy something across the entire board. For example, if I wanted to push out an application just to my RPO4 boards, I can simply go to Applications. I can go to Install. Let's say I have an easy write update that I want to push out just to my RPO4s. I hit Install, and I can choose by tag, and now I can select just my RPO4 boards. Or if I want to push out to a specific building or group, I can select Group, and I can choose the group that I want to push it out to, or groups. Now, it doesn't just pertain to applications. You can also leverage groups and tags when you're deploying out policy or multiple policies and automations as well. For example, for this power off, I can also choose to push it to a group or multiple groups or a tag or multiple tags as well. And that's it. Now that you've gone ahead and created your groups and tags for your boards, and I've already shown you how you can use the tags to filter things as well, hopefully this will improve your board management and how you control and manage your fleet moving forward. And that's it. Groups and tags are great for breaking down your entire BenQ fleet into smaller sections, allowing for easier management, easier deployments, and better organization overall. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local BenQ rep or contact, and we'll be happy to help you with any questions or any issues you may have. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye.